creative friends, welcome to my channel. And in this video, this is like a quick little video so that you never have to run out of coffee creamer. I love coffee creamer. I just don't really care for black coffee necessarily. I'll drink it if I have to. I'll drink it if I'm eating something super sweet, but if I'm not, I want creamer in it. And I hate when I run out. You can see that I got the big bottle, but if I ran out of this, I have no problem because I used to make my own creamer all the time. I just kind of stopped because this was more convenient, but I'm going to show you how you can make your own coffee creamer. Now, here's a tip. I happened to be at Ross one day. They had these water bottles, and I got one because it's got the little mixie ball, and that's a good thing to have in your creamer because you want to shake it before you use it every time, and that just kind of helps really mix it up well. So I'm going to put everything in here in just a minute, but I'm going to show you 3 ingredients: 2 cups of milk, a can of sweetened condensed milk, and extract. I'm going to be using vanilla because I want vanilla creamer. So what I'm going to do in my blender, I'm going to put 2 cups of milk, and then I'm going to put my can of cream, sweetened condensed milk. I don't know why I keep calling it cream something, but I'm going to put my sweetened condensed milk in there, and then I'm just going to put the vanilla. And you can do, like, if you want it super vanilla, you just add more. I just kind of add it by sight, I guess you could say. So let me add this in here. And this is going to go on the blender just until the whole thing is mixed. Now, if you don't have a blender, or you don't want to do it in a blender, you can just do it in like a quart canning jar. But you're going to have to shake it, or use a whisk and mix it. This is just a whole lot quicker and easier. So let me get this out of here. There we go. See how that's in there? And that would have to mix up. And it's kind of a pain to get it mixed in, but let me get my spatula. There we are. And now I'm going to pour in my vanilla. And I like a lot of vanilla, so this is probably maybe about a tablespoon. I guess about a tablespoon, yeah. There we go. That'll do it. And now I'm going to put the lid on. I'm going to go over to the blender and I'm going to mix it up, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, that literally took like, I don't know, not even 30 seconds. And now I'm going to pour it in here, and I kid you not, tastes just like the vanilla creamer you get at the store. Oh no. Okay, I'm going to have to put a little bit of that in another container, but this way I've got a little pour spout on there, and I will just shake. Oh no, I forgot to close the top. Anyway, there you go. Now I got to clean up that mess, but hey, I got coffee creamer. All right, I took a minute and cleaned it all up, and I could say, what did we learn from that? Well, we learned to make sure your top is closed before you shake it, but that left probably enough room for the rest, and it tastes really good. Like, I love it. There you go. And so you can control how much vanilla flavor there is. You can kind of control if you want it to be maybe not as sweet. You could add less of the sweetened condensed milk. Look at me with my finger on the top now, see? And now I'm going to shake it up. That's how you do it. But that's how you can make your very own coffee creamer without having to buy the big jug. Don't worry about running out. So, there you have it, homemade coffee creamer. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.